Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
You just want to know if your equipment has spark or not. Yes or no. That's what this video is about. It doesn't matter if it's for a 2-stroke engine, a 4-stroke engine, weed eater, chainsaw, generator, lawnmower, it's all the same concept. First thing you got to do, take the spark plug out, put it back in the boot, click it down like it should be, and to make sure your kill switch is on, and then you pull it over, and guess what? That spark plug has absolutely no spark. That's because you need to ground the side of the plug out onto the top of the cylinder is the best place. You have to ground the side of the plug out to somewhere where it's bare metal. Not painted, it has to be bare metal. Top of the cylinder is what I do. And you put that down there, and now it has spark. Nice blue spark. This way, no. This way, yes. This video is not about, okay, now what do I do if it doesn't truly have spark? For those videos, I have a link for you in the description in this video, the pinned comment, to get back to my playlists. Get in my playlists, and you'll see a lot of videos I put out on what it might be if it doesn't have spark. Now you know today that if it does have spark, if it doesn't. And that's all I got to say now. Steve out.